Is your Cadillac XT5 key fob not working? It's likely the CR2032 battery needs replacement. This is a simple DIY task. First, gather a small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool and a new CR2032 battery. Locate the small notch on the key fob. Carefully insert the tool into the notch to pry open the case. Gently separate the two halves of the fob. Now that the fob is open, remove the old battery, noting which side faces up, usually the positive plus side. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive side facing up. Ensure it's firmly seated. Snap the key fob case back together until it clicks shut. Test the fob by pressing the buttons. If it doesn't work, double-check the battery orientation and that the case is fully closed. Dispose of the old battery at a recycling center. To extend your key fob battery life, avoid excessive use of remote start. Experts recommend changing the battery every 12 to 18 months. Always use a reputable brand of CR2032 battery to prevent leaks and corrosion. In the future, key fobs are trending towards smart technology integration, including over-the-air updates for battery efficiency. While the XT5 currently uses replaceable batteries, future models may incorporate rechargeable or kinetic energy-powered fobs, potentially eliminating the need for battery replacements altogether. Remember, a dead key fob can prevent you from starting your car. Regular battery checks can save you from being stranded.